What will happen if you plant a tree in the desert? The tree is going to die. But if you plant a tree in the forest, the tree is going to survive, the tree is going to thrive. And if you plant many trees in the forest, the desert itself will be transformed. So in the same way, one of the missions of the project of Meditation Steps, I see not only educational activities, not only transferring beautiful and noble ideas, not only transferring inspiration for the spiritual practice, but also forming a supportive ecosystem that will allow you to thrive, to develop spiritually. So we create small societies. Ideally, I would wish and dream that the entire mainstream of society would transform into something more spiritual, into something more positive, into something more human. But today, the mainstream society is still exploring whether they can be happy with pure materialism or not. But spiritual aspirants, they have realized that pure materialism is not enough. There has to be another dimension of life, which is more sublime, more beautiful, more rewarding. So I've practiced for 25 years and I've noticed myself, it doesn't matter how advanced you are, how deep you are, still the support is necessary. So we gravitate towards each other and we do collective spiritual practices. We do collective meditations, we do spiritual retreats, we unite for the service to render a service activities to remove some problem in the society. So we create a platform, a communication between people with a goal to promote the spirituality and social service. So if you are interested, you can find our communities all over the globe. There are many people following us in India, in USA, in Europe, especially countries like Germany, like France, Poland, Baltic states. Many people in the expanse of the ex-Soviet Union countries. So all over the globe, we have some people who are practicing meditation and who would like to connect with each other. So in the description under this video, there will be links. If you follow those links, I'm very sure you're going to find a small little community which will help you with the practice of meditation. And if you cannot find, then at least you can say that, hello, I'm here. And maybe to you, some people will be gravitating and around you there will be a community formed. So in this way, slowly, slowly, drop by drop, we promote the change in the collective psyche of human society. So with all love in my heart, I invite you to be part of a spiritual communities wherever you are. Or even if you are somewhere, even online is also good. Because online, I do collective meditations online, and we talk real life questions, real life answers, and we support each other. It works wonderfully. So thank you very much. I hope we become not just, television and a figure in the television, but we will become real friends in real lives, and we move together. Thank you. Namaskar. Dear friends, because of your donations and contributions and support, our project can grow. I am able to record the useful videos about spirituality, meditation, inspiration, etc. Those who want to support us, you can find the link in the description of this video. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.